Hello, this is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. It's another beautiful day, and the phone number here at the dealership is 352-694-1234. We're centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. Take just a quick moment and highlight a fresh arrival. This is a Ford Econoline E-150 cargo van. Has a clean, no accidents CARFAX. Something like 30 or 31 service records in its history report. It's got a good body. It's got the racks in the back, cold air conditioning. It's running now, and you can hear just how good it runs. I believe it was driven about 8,000 miles, 8,200 miles a year. Power windows and door locks, cold air. So if your small business is needing a van to put somebody extra out in the field, or maybe you just want to get something started yourself, let me recommend this Ford E-150 cargo van. This is Chris at Prestige Auto Sales in Ocala. We're here at 694-1234. We do have vans that are in the high teens, low 20s, but if you need something under 10,000, let me recommend this Ford. Driven 8,200 miles a year, clean CARFAX, 30 service records, and is available today. This is Chris at Prestige, 694-1234. And once again, we're centrally located at 2261 Southwest College Road here in Ocala. Thanks, and y'all have a great day.